Okay, good afternoon, Piyush. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. Good afternoon. And ma'am, how is Maurya?
He is very good. We'll talk about it later. Let us come to our Viva. अच्छा, my question to you is जो COVID-19 ये जो पूरा हम GDP पे consequences और ये सारा पढ़ रहे हैं, and as we had a discussion with our previous student कि what do you think has you can say the positive effect? We have briefly already talked about it, but I want again your point of view.
Positive impact on Indian economy.
I am not only talking about Indian economy. You can tell me, you can basically talk about any positive results. It preferably, if it is related to economics, it will be actually good.
Okay, ma'am. Positive impact of COVID-19 first on our environment. And ma'am, we see the pollution is so less due to vehicles are not roaming when there is lockdown. And ma'am, seas are very clean. Ganga River is very clean nowadays.
Okay. Okay, and what do you actually want to aspire to be?
What, ma'am?
मतलब क्या बनना है आगे?
आगे
मतलब
क्या
in
बनना
which
है?
हाँ, in which field you want to pursue your profession?
Ma'am, now I think that I pursue my in law. I pursue my dream in law, BBA
अच्छा,
LLB.
can you just tell me the reason क्यों ये वाला चूज क्यों किया?
मैम पहले मैम आपको मैं थोड़ा सा ब्रीफ में बताता हूँ। पहले मैं बायो लेने वाला था और मैंने किसी रीज़न से नहीं लिया। मैम जो आर्ट्स है उसमें मेरे को एक तो मैम सेकंड ऑप्शन होता है सिविल सर्विसेज। मैम ये ज़्यादा टफ है, तो इसलिए मैंने सोचा कि मैं क्लैट का एग्ज़ाम दूँ और NLU ज्वाइन करके फिर मैं एक लॉ फर्म ज्वाइन कर लूँ, BBA LLB क्लियर
क्लैट
करके।
इजी अकॉर्डिंग टू यू? सिविल्स के हिसाब से क्लैट इजी है ना? सिर्फ
लिटिल
इजी के
आई थिंक
हिसाब से या मेरे इंटरेस्ट के हिसाब से चूज वो
मैम
करो
इंटरेस्ट
जिसमें
भी है।
इंटरेस्ट। हाँ, तो
मैम
यू गिव
इंटरेस्ट भी
दिस
है।
आंसर कि मैम मेरा इंटरेस्ट है इस फील्ड में, दैट इज व्हाई आई वांट टू गेट मतलब टेक इट फर्दर एज माय प्रोफेशन. ठीक है, चलो गुड पीयूष.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot. Yes,
दैट इज इट.
Hi. Okay.
Abhilasha, ma'am, please go for it.
Hi, Piyush.
हाय मैम, गुड आफ्टरनून।
Simple question. Good afternoon. Uh, in your presentation, you have mentioned about the impact of COVID-19 in different types of sectors, in which one type of sector is aviation sector. Will you please explain me what is aviation sector?
एविएशन सेक्टर्स मैम जो हम फ्लाइट्स और यूज़ करते हैं एक से दूसरी जगह जाने के लिए, मैम यही है एविएशन सेक्टर।
जो फ्लाइट्स यूज करते हैं वो एविएशन सेक्टर है?
हाँ मतलब मैम ये इसी में आता है,
अच्छा,
इसी का डिपार्टमेंट है ये सर,
ओके.
फ्लाइट्स।
It is basically the business sector dedicated to manufacturing of aircrafts and everything.
हाँ
Okay, that's it. Thank you, Piyush.
Thank you, Abhilasha, ma'am. Yes, Saroj, ma'am, please go with your question, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Oh, good afternoon, Piyush.
गुड आफ्टरनून मैम।
Okay. Please give me the answer. By how much percent unemployment increased in India during COVID-19 outbreak?
एम्प्लॉयमेंट इंक्रीज,
Unemployment increase in India.
Unemployment increase.
अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट इंक्रीज इन इंडिया। मैम इट grows faster rapidly, and ma'am I cannot tell you exact percentage of it, ma'am, because I am not aware about it, but it grows rapidly.
And
Okay,
what
it
is
is 27.11%.
ma'am, and what is the recent condition after the unlock started?
But 27.11%, sir.
No, not ma'am, I'm not asking you. I'm asking Piyush, what is the recent condition after the unlocking started? Piyush, I'm asking you.
Hello.
Yes sir.
Well, I'm asking you, what is the recent condition of unemployment in India after the unlocking started? Is it still declining or it has become better now? It's on the growth side now. That
So it is
people are getting
declining.
employed.
Sir, declining because many jobs are lost over there.
I'm sorry
due to
that
COVID.
I'm sorry, but 2 days back there was a from a proper rating agency. We have got the ratings that the employment in India is again getting back to its shape because people are moving back to their places where they were working after the unlock started. Okay, that's what we were talking about, the V-shaped recovery. This is what we say, V-shaped recovery. Because of a sudden decline, catastrophic change, we saw a downfall. Now we will saw again that the things are getting back to their shape because of this which we are having, the unlock thing. Okay? V-shaped
But sir ये जल्दी से recover नहीं कर पाएगा.
ये
क्योंकि
आपका
market
थॉट
में
है, ये आपका थॉट है, मेरा थॉट नहीं है ना. ये ओपिनियंस है, हम सबके अलग अलग है. For me, it is like it is going to be a good recovery by the year 2022, and if we recover in 2 years, that's a great recovery for any country. If we recover in 2 to 3 years, all right. जल्दी से का मतलब क्या होता है? 2 से 3 साल. लॉन्ग रन तो हम 5-6 साल का मानते हैं. Before 2022-23, we are going to recover.
Sir, I am hoping of 2 to 4 months.
No, 2 to 4 months is very short term plan. It cannot happen. आप अपनी पढ़ाई रिकवर नहीं कर सकते 2 से 4 महीने में. सरकार कैसे रिकवर करेगी पूरे एम्प्लॉयमेंट को? क्या बात कर रहे हो पीयूष यार? Come on.
अच्छा 2 to 3 years तो सही है. 2 to 3 years चलता है.
Yeah, 2 to 3 years we are going to get back to shape in a proper way. Okay. Saroj ma'am, any other question?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot, Piyush. That was great from your side. We'll get back to you later. Thank you so much.